Hi there! Welcome to this great video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and today you are going to learn how to create a PayPal account easy and fast that will allow you to receive and send money without a credit card. So, pay close attention to every second of this step-by-step tutorial because I will be giving you all of the details. PayPal is a popular online payment system that lets you shop online without having to re-enter your information for every transaction. But another great feature you get from PayPal is that you can receive money from anyone and from almost any place in the world where that someone and you may be. That is why nowadays most online jobs and online companies use PayPal for sending payments. Therefore, if you want to make money online and get paid, then you must have a PayPal account. So let's get into action. The first thing to do is to head to the PayPal website from your computer, or you can install the app for free from your mobile device app store and follow from there. You can create an account from the PayPal homepage or the app. The account creation process is almost the same for both the website and the app. I am going to proceed from my computer. I have opened Google Chrome, my favorite web browser, and I am going to head to the PayPal website by entering in the URL bar the address www.paypal.com and hit enter. Here we have arrived at PayPal's homepage. As I mentioned before, PayPal is an online platform that allows you to send money to other PayPal users, to shop online, to pay, and to accept payments. To this day, PayPal is the most important and reliable payment processor known worldwide. Hence, it is one of the safest ways to process money transactions online. And the best part is that you can create your PayPal account completely for free. But before we move any further, there are some very important facts you must have in mind. First, it is very important that you know you must be at least 18 years old to have your account. Otherwise, you would have to use your parents' name. Second, other than that, make sure you have an active email address to use it to create your account, because you will receive an activation email there that you will have to click on to confirm later in this process. Third, also gather your credit card or debit card or bank account information, which will be required by PayPal to verify your identity and enable your account for you to start using it. If you're going to use your debit card, you need to have at least $2 in your bank account. This is for PayPal to send confirmation transactions that will be later refunded. Having this clear, we can now continue to the next step. Just click on the upper right corner button that says Sign Up. And on this next screen, you will be presented with two options: Personal Account, shop online or send and receive money, all without sharing your payment info. And Business Account, accept PayPal and all cards online or at the register. Send secure invoices to your customers. In other words, with the personal account, you can shop online and receive payments, and you will have low transaction fees when you withdraw the money you have on your PayPal account. And with the business account, you can use their platform as your business payment method, and they will charge you a monthly fee. In our particular case, we want to create a personal account since we're only using this for our online earnings or getting paid online. So we choose personal account and click next. And now we want to completely fill out this form. Make sure you enter the correct information that matches the information on your identification card from your country, and also that matches the information on the credit card or debit card or bank account that you have. So write down your legal first name, your legal last name, and use your personal email address, because most of online jobs ask you for your PayPal email address as your PayPal information. And as I mentioned before, make sure this email address is active for you to log into it and confirm your account. Then create a secure password. Confirm your password below. After you have completed this form, you can click on the next button. Now we've arrived to the next form. If you're creating your account from outside the United States, you will have this form. But if you're creating your account from within the USA, then you will have a shorter form with less fields on this form, but you will be asked the same thing later on. So let's start completing this form. On ID type, you can choose from national ID, passport, or driver's license. PayPal accepts the national ID from whatever country you are located in. So I'm going to choose national ID and I'm going to fill out my information. Now it is important that the information you fill in here matches the information on your ID card and on your bank account or your credit card or your debit card. If you don't know your postal code, it is important that you search it up on Google because it has to have the correct one. Now you must enter a valid phone number because you will receive a confirmation text with a code that you have to enter to validate your phone number. Now you can check stay logged in for faster checkout if you want, and you have to check this I have read and agreed to PayPal's user agreement, privacy statement, and delivery policy. After you have filled out all of the information, you can click on Agree and create account. Now you will be asked to link a card, but if you don't have a credit card, you can scroll all the way down and click on Link a bank instead. So here you can just fill out your bank account information, and as I said before, the name that you have registered in your bank account must match the name that you have registered here on PayPal. Now here for SWIFT code, if you don't know your bank's SWIFT code, you can just Google it. After you've completed the form and verified the information is correct, then you can scroll down and click on the button Link Your Bank. So it says your bank savings account is linked, and click on Continue. And there you go, you have arrived to your brand new PayPal account dashboard. Now, before we get into the next step, if you're enjoying this video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Okay, back to our PayPal account. Now, the next thing that you should do is to confirm your email address and also confirm the phone number that you entered before. In order to do this, you must go to the upper right corner and click on My PayPal. Now, this is your summary page. As you can see, it says confirm your mobile phone. So let's do that first. And here it says confirm your phone for extra security. We'll reach out if there's ever an issue with your account, or you can use it to confirm your identity. So here they show you some digits of the phone number you previously entered. If it's not correct, you can change it by clicking on the change link. For me, it's fine, so I'm going to click on the next button. So I have been sent a code that I must enter here. Let's click Stay Logged In for faster checkout and click Continue. You're all set. And they've sent us back to our summary page. Now let's confirm our email. Confirm your email. We'll send you an email to the email address I have entered. Inside will be a link to confirm it. Okay, so let's click on Send Email. Send. Check your inbox for the email. So let's go and open our email. Here we have it. Activate your PayPal account. And we scroll down, it says confirm your email address. So let's click to activate your account. And it says enter your password to confirm your email address. So this is the correct email address, and let's type in the password I previously typed in for my PayPal account. So let's paste it here, and we can click on confirm email address. And there we go, we have successfully confirmed our email address. And now this is how our summary page looks like. Here you see your PayPal balance, which by default is in US dollars. In this three dots menu, you can change the currency by going into Manage Currency. You can also see recent activity, which basically summarizes what money has come in and what money has gone out. On the right side, you see links to send money or request money. Also, you can customize furthermore your PayPal account by creating your PayPal.me link, adding your photo, but none of this is really necessary for us if we only want to receive or send money. And here I see the bank account that I previously linked. Before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when we upload a new video on making money online. Now let's look into the send and request functions. If we click here on the send button, we are taken to this simple form where PayPal just requires the name or the email address of the person that you want to send the payment to. And here PayPal explains how this works. Send payments to anyone with an email address and it will go to their PayPal account. If they don't have an account, they can create one in seconds for free. That's right, you just type in their name or their email address that you know it's related to their PayPal account, or if they don't have a PayPal account, you can just use their personal email address and they can create the PayPal account with that email address and receive the payment you just sent them. And the other option is for you to request money. So if we click here, we are given a different form. It says request payments from. Up to 20 people can pay you back even without an account. Just use their email address to request. It's as simple as that. But wait, if you want to start seeing that PayPal balance grow like crazy, then click and watch this next video to discover 11 ways on how to make $100 per day online from any place in the world. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.